Ever wondered how thousands of developers collaborate on massive projects without complete chaos? That's where GitHub comes in, acting as a central hub for version control and collaborative software development. In this video, we'll unpack exactly what GitHub is and why it's a game changer. At its core, GitHub is built on Git, a powerful version control system. Think of it like a super-powered track changes for your code. It allows you to track every change made to your project, revert to previous versions, and experiment with new features without messing up the main codebase. But GitHub is more than just version control. It's a social platform for developers. It provides tools for collaboration, allowing teams to work together seamlessly, regardless of their location. Features like issues allow you to track bugs and feature requests. Pull requests enable you to propose changes and get feedback from other contributors, and discussions provide a space for open communication about the project. One of GitHub's biggest strengths is its support for open source projects. It provides a platform for developers to share their code with the world, collaborate with others, and build amazing things together. You'll see many open source projects live on the platform. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a large team, GitHub can streamline your workflow, enhance collaboration, and help you build better software. So, next time you're starting a new project, remember the power of GitHub. Now you understand the basics of GitHub. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more software development tutorials.